Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide videos from the continue watching section on Prime Video. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to do this, first head over to the Prime Video app on your mobile device. Now once you're in the Prime Video app, you can see there in the middle of the screen, I've got continue watching. So it's some shows that I've started to watch, and it's just recommending that I can continue to watch these videos if I'd like to. But maybe you don't want to watch these videos anymore. Maybe you watched it for a little while and you didn't like it, so you don't want it to keep showing up in your recommended sections. So all you need to do is very simply just long press on one of those videos. And up pops a little menu. So all you need to do is tap on the hide this video option, which is right at the bottom. And then this video will now be removed from the continue watching section. And that's what it takes to remove continue watching videos on the Prime Video app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.